I'm Alyce, co-founder of The Daily Edited. I recently launched a homewares brand, so I'm working on new plate designs for our next season of product. Really, I'm just working on also myself. I'm using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation, toffee shade. I like it because I love full coverage foundation because otherwise I wouldn't wear makeup. I love to cover up any imperfections I have on my skin, and I use this hourglass brush because it's really easy to travel with because it's short and not as long as some of the other ones that I have. I really like this product because it does last all day. I have combination skin, and so sometimes I can look like a puddle if I'm not in the correct product. So this is my go-to. When it comes to my beauty routine, I like to get advice. I like to know that a product's going to work before I introduce it into my routine. The foundation of a fulfilling career is doing something that you love. When you do something that you love, it doesn't feel like work. Prior to getting onto a flight is to do a deep cleanse. I use a moisturizer and a serum, and then on the plane I love to use a sheet mask. Everyone looks at me funny, but I feel like that gives me intense hydration. I'm Alyce, I'm co-founder of The Daily Edited, but underneath it all, I'm just a creative person and a homebody.